Richard Radke here. Is multiple income funnel a scam? No, it's definitely not. It's been around for about 4 years now, and it's a debt-free company, and it's definitely legit. And as soon as you log in, you can see everything you got. Or you got your start here. You got your all your links for all your different capture pages. You got all kind of training in here, and then it shows you your team, all your leads, who's on the leaderboard, and all the resources you have that you can use with your business. And then if you click on here, it shows you all your own businesses that you've got. And then if you go in here, it shows you your bonus streams income. And then when you want to get started, you just go to step 1, and that's the main system. That's the system itself. And then you have step 2 and step 3, whatever you want to put in there, your opportunities. And if you don't have any, if you want to, you can use the ones I'm using. Each one is only at $10 a month. I forgot to mention, step 1 costs you $49 a year, and if you sponsor somebody under that, you make $20. Then they also have a yearly plan, which will cost you $350. But if you sponsor somebody with that, you make $200 commission. Then they also got a lead system. Number 4 is for leads. They've been in business for about 7 years, so they definitely have good, legitimate leads. And then you can also get your bonus leads, which I use, which is only costs me $1 a day for 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads, which I can mail every single day. So I think this is a great system, and there's a lot of people making a lot of money. I know my sponsor, he's been in it a while already, so he makes money every single day. So I'm going to put my link on below the video, that you can go in and listen to this 21-minute video that Mac explains really well what it's all about. And I'll also put my contact information underneath there, so you can contact me for more questions. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today, and I'm going to let Mac do a presentation because I'm putting the link underneath the video. So we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.